Alright. So now I have cleaned the chicken. Now I want to season it really good. Hope you guys can see that. And I think I'm just going to barbecue my own chicken. I'm just going to use my dad grill because he crying about his back and all that shit. He could have stayed out here in South Tampa and cooked. The sun is back out. Back out. Like nothing. Like it was never even no rain. And I ain't putting much on my chicken. As you guys see, black pepper, seasoning salt. You can put what you want. That's all I'm using for here. Give me a little bit of, you know.